All right, welcome back again, everyone. So today we're going to talk about using division, using area model. Um, so let's take a look at this problem. 72 divided by 3 is equal to the unknown. First thing I want to do is I always like to put context within when I problem solve or I do any computation. So I'm going to probably give students a problem where I have a rectangle that has an area of 72. My length is 3. What is my width? Or I have a rectangle that has an area of 72 square units. My width is 3. What is my length, right? Um, so another thing I like to do is I like students to write the inverse operation so they can understand that division really means a missing factor, right? So something like this is what I'm expecting my students to do as well. And notice my area is not really proportional, but I'll explain why in a bit. So the question is 3 times what is going to get me as close to 72 as possible, right? So I can tell students, well, if we do 3 times 1, that'll be 10. 3. That's going to take us a long time. So what's a friendly number we can use? And I'm hoping that I get 3 times 10 because I've been working with friendly numbers all year long, and that'll be 30. Well, that's pretty close. Maybe 3 times, let's double that. 3 times 20 would give me 60. Okay, that's even closer. Well, let's try another friendly number of 10, which is 3 times 30, which would give me 90. Well, I went too far, but that's okay because right now I'm at least estimating my quotient already, right? So I'm going to use 20 as my first number. So 3 times 20 is 60, and my remainder is 12. That is a reason why I like to have a long array there or a rectangle. So my remainder is 12. Obviously, I cannot have 12 as my remainder because it's greater than my divisor. So I'm going to build a new array and I'm going to transfer that over 12. So the thing is 3 times what gives me close to 12, right? And if I skip count by threes, I know that it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 4 groups of 3, and my remainder is 0. So my partial quotients are here. 20 plus 4 is the same as 24. All right, let's try one more out and then I'm gonna give you some numbers to practice. So the next one is 52 divided by 4, right? So I want students to write the inverse operation. So I'm gonna have them write 4 times unknown is the same as 52, or the unknown times 4 is 52. Again, I'm gonna have written this problem in a context with, a rectangle have 52 square units and I have a length of 4. What is the width, right? I always love to use context um, when I do computation as well as when I do problem solving. So let's use our friendly number. So 4 times 1 will get us 4, right? I'm asked what is another friendly number? Well, maybe students just tell me 2. 4 times 2. Okay, that's good. That's 8. 4 times 5 is another friendly number. That is 20. It's getting closer. 4 times 10. That is 40. Let's double that because it's pretty close. 4 times 20, and that is 80. All right, I went too far, but remember, it's okay because right now we're already estimating quotient. So let's do 4 times 10, and that is 40. I have a remainder of 12. My remainder is greater than my divisor, so I'm going to build a new array with my remainder, and that is 12. So 4 times what gives me 12? And I'm hoping they skip count for a 12. That is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12, remainder of 0. So 10 plus 3 is 13. All right. So that's how we use basic area models to introduce division to students. In a minute, you'll be seeing a video with longer division. All right. So try these out. 85 divided by 5, and maybe try 98 divided by 7. All right. Hope you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and look for upcoming videos on how to do longer division and other strategies. All right. Have a good one.